Hi, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today I have the pleasure of walking you guys through this brand new arrival. It is a 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX. The SDX family consists of the 250, the 270, and the 290. This 250 though is so feature packed. It's a great family boat for the Tampa area market. It's Coast Guard rated for 14, so bring multiple families on board and have a fun-filled day on the water. We're going to start here back with the power plant. We have a 250 Mercury 4-stroke outboard powering this boat. Going to give you excellent hole shot if you're looking for water sports activities, or again, if you want to pile everybody on, you will have no problem getting from A to B in a hurry with this 250. And I love how we've optioned a white Mercury here that really flows with the white and stone interior. Before we get too far too, I don't know if we can look, this is a quantum blue hull color on the side with a white bottom, which again ties in really nicely with the midnight blue canvas, and just a very, very pretty boat. You need to see this one in person, especially to see this right here. So we all love to play in the water. You have a really nice spacious swim deck here, but it gets bigger. With a quick little latch and unlock, we just increased this another third more. So we're talking about running off of here to dive, and we below this seat, when it is in the forward position, is a integrated cooler. So you don't even have to get out of the water and trample into the boat to grab another drink. We've thought of you there. Sea Ray just as innovative. There we go, nice locking mechanism. So now we're in a aft lounger position right here too. So we can sit back, watch the kids play, read a book, enjoy the bright Florida sun. If we're water sporting it up, you got a great deep ski locker right here, and also good battery access. So this will be an excellent spot to load the boat with all kinds of bulky items without even having to get on the boat. As we move our way into the cockpit, I'm going to go ahead and put this back into the cockpit mode. So now we're in a 25-footer, and we have as much cockpit space here with the seat in the aft position as our 27. So you're just going to see a really inviting, almost living room-like cockpit area. Both of these backrests are able to aft-facing lounge. So now if we want to lounge in the shade, I got no problem here. I got great coverage with this expansive bimini top and all kinds of seating. Sea Ray's also taking care of you with grab handles and cup holders. I don't care where you are in the boat, you are within reach of a beverage and a grab handle. They're also taking care of you with removable cooler storage. Quick little pan here shows you a igloo cooler set into this, under this seat. So where if you want to take this party to the beach, or if you want to pack lunches the night before, you're good. You can do that, and it's got a dedicated spot. We got storage under here. Storage again under all of this upholstery. And again, I just want to highlight the amount of shade that this bimini, or this water sports tower top provides. Up top here, we have the ability to tow wakeboarders from an elevated position, which is nice. Just flip these back into the pilot and co-pilot position, and take a look at this helm. You have a flip-up bolster. So if I want to stand and operate, we have a tilt helm. So no matter the driver height, we can adjust this, really make it comfortable. The throttle's right within reach. You got a couple cup holders and a command center 9-inch Simrad screen. This is going to be a MFD, as we call it, multifunctional device. You can look up all of your engine data here. You have all of your mapping in here, your depth sounding. Everything is at a touch of a button. Full touch screen, pinch to zoom. To the left, we have our audio control. This is going to be Bluetooth and will power all the speakers in the boat with AM, FM, and Bluetooth audio. Very comfortable command center. If I want to kind of sit back and lounge, we got this option here too. Another really impressive piece. Remember, we're in a 25-foot boat here, guys. It's really easy to think that we're in something much larger. please show me another 25 on the market that has a mini cabin. What a cool spot if you have young ones to be able to climb in here and take a quick nap, get out of the sun, out of the elements. You might be kind of asking now, well, where's the bathroom? They got this, you know, great bed in here, but where's the, you know, where's the toilet? Well, that is solved with a quick little snap. Let me get out of the way so you can take a look of a pump out head. And all those cushions unveil more storage. They can be removed if you're not using them as a little mini cabin. Just great lighting in there, plenty of room. So they achieve this by doing a port side entry into the spacious bow area. And we have multiple loungers. You have enough space here where we can sit back and lounge 3 wide. We can lounge side to side. We have a removable cooler up here. We got more cup holders. We got more charge ports. We got mood lighting. Guys, the 250 SDX is a showstopper. You need to see this one here for yourself. It will not last long. This boat is currently available as the drop date of this video. I'm Matt Norman. We are MarineMax Clearwater. We're always open on MarineMax.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.